I've been chasing shadows down empty streets, where every echo whispers your heartbeat. The night remembers what I tried to forget. Your ghost still dances in my cigarette, and I've been burning just to feel again, loving you like confessing a sin. 'Cause you're still beneath my skin, like a scar that never gives in. Every breath pulls you closer again. I can't wash you out, I can't pretend you're still beneath my skin. The blues are bleeding from my old guitar. Your name still hums from every bar. I pour another glass of time and gin, and pray the morning forgives my sin. I try to drown you in the sound, but the silence just pulls me down. 'Cause you're still beneath my skin, like a fire that won't grow dim. Every night I fall back in, I can't unlove where you've been. You're still beneath my skin. Oh, maybe love ain't meant to fade, maybe pain's a price we pay. But if my soul can't let you go, then I'll bleed the blues till the morning glow. You're still beneath my skin, the place where your touch begins. Even when the light comes in, you're still beneath my